Hi, and welcome to my short tour of our room during our recent stay at the Aguamar Apartments in Los Cristianos, Tenerife. The hotel has 140 rooms and has a 3-star rating. Aguamar Apartments are located in the Los Cristianos area of Tenerife. Tenerife is the largest island in the Canary Isles and enjoys year-round good weather. During our stay in January, it was around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius each day. The Canary Isles lie off the west coast of Africa and are around 2,000 miles from the UK. That's about a 4.5 hour flight time from Scotland. We stayed in room 15, a ground floor poolside apartment. While the bedroom was basic, it had plenty of storage space in the open plan wardrobe. There was also European sockets either side of the bed and a ceiling fan. It's important to note there wasn't any air conditioning in this apartment. I don't think there is in any of them. The bathroom kind of let the apartment down a little bit. It was okay for a short stay. I didn't like that the shower had a curtain. It seems to stick to me a lot. It might just be my shape. The bathroom basics were supplied in sachets, but you'd probably want to bring your own shampoo and body wash. I really liked the main living area. It was well planned out. The kitchen had everything you need for basic cooking, with enough crockery and cutlery for 4 people. The fridge had a little freezer compartment. There was a twin hob for cooking on, toaster, a kettle, a coffee machine, a microwave. There was also washing up liquid, a sponge, a cloth, and a drying towel to clean up everything behind you. The sofa could fold out into a double bed, so there's plenty of room. There's a dining table and a TV. We didn't use the TV during our stay, so I can't really comment on the channels. The best part was the direct access to the pool area through the sliding doors. It was also a short walk round the pool to the bar. We did find the bar a little bit expensive, but it did have a good range of drinks and snacks available. It's quite convenient. A lot of people have mentioned the pool online. I found it quite nice. I didn't really notice the tiles. It was a little bit cold. The areas were kept really clean by the staff. Overall, it was a basic budget hotel, but the staff are really good and I've got no real complaints. The bathrooms could do with a bit of a refresh, but that's just nitpicking really. We weren't there long enough to really bother us too much. I'd be happy to go back again. Would definitely recommend a poolside room to anyone.